Hello my Lumonites, it is Ivy here, also known as Ivy Martinez here on this channel, which is my name, so there's that. And welcome to my lifestyle channel. So today we have another unboxing video for you guys. You guys seem to have really enjoyed the Therabox unboxing that I did last month, and this month it was very delayed for April. So I finally got the package in. It literally just came in today, and I wasn't planning on filming this video. I wasn't planning on it coming today, but here we have it. Here it is. Let's go ahead and do this thing. So today we're going to be opening up the April Therabox subscription box. So let's go ahead and open it up finally. Like, usually this comes at the beginning of the month, but it took forever because I think there was a delay due to like the COVID thing, and a lot of their the people that they work with for this box was like closed down. But finally it's here, it's in my hands, we're finally gonna do it. I'm excited, so let's just go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. The first thing that we got, this wasn't inside the box, it was like out, was this. This is Curiosity Cards, follow your dreams and live a happier life with this playful, mind-freeing activity. So, how to use the, there's like journal prompts, conversation starters, self-discovery, group activities, daily meditations, and mindfulness exercises. It looks like this. So it says, start here. These cards will only work if you write on them. So jump in, let it free flow, be squibbly, be all free. This is so cute. So they have different ones, it looks like. But here's these. And then it looks like this. So you are a bright, shining gift. There are affirmations. The dream that makes your heart soar. So write down the dream that makes your heart soar. Write down your superpower. This is so cute. Like, this is really cute. The door you dare to walk through. This is really cute. I like this a lot. So this is a really cute, these are really cute, like journaling prompt ideas. So that's awesome. For the moment that you've all been waiting for. Cue heavenly music. Damn, this box smells good. Okay, so, this is so cute. The theme for April is Flourish. Love this. This is so cute. So first thing that we got opening this up is a avocado and algae face mask. This is a skin superfood detox. So this is by Plant-Based Beauty. I'm not going to open this. It comes with a little spoolie. I'm not going to open this up because I'm actually going to be putting this in the giveaway. So if you guys want to be entered into this giveaway, once I hit 500 subscribers on my main channel, not this channel, but my main channel, which I'll link down below, I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway and giving away a whole bunch of stuff. And we're almost there. We're literally like at 470, so we're like 30 subscribers away. So that's about to take place very soon. So subscribe to my main channel if you want to be a part of the giveaway. Woo! So one thing we have here are Dragonfly CBD soaking salts. This is 200 milligrams of premium CBD, and it contains a combination of coconut, magnolia, and vanilla. This is nice. So this is really nice to take a bath in some Epsom salts, or just to soak your feet in, whatever the case may be. So this is non-GMO, this is gluten-free, THC-free, and 100% natural and organic. As you can see here, we can give this one a whiff. Okay, we like. This, what is this? This is called Trust Fund Beauty. This is called, this is in the color No Filter Nail Polish? Yes, nail polish. So it's this like grayish ivory color, I want to say. So this is the color of the nail polish, and again the color is called No Filter. Very cute, very cute. I like that. I like that a lot. Next thing we have, this is a toilet tissue moisturizer. What? What? This is, I've never seen anything like this. Okay, so what you need to do, uses thoroughly clean and refresh after each bathroom experience. Use with confidence and feel the difference. Directions to clean, soothe, and refresh the skin. Apply to toilet tissue and use as normal. No rinse required. So you wipe your booty with it. It's an all-natural toilet paper foam, and it contains aloe vera, vitamin E, and plant extract, which is really interesting. This is actually really nice, especially if you're frequently going to the bathroom. You know, like, it's happened to like most of us for sure, where you like got the runs and you're in the bathroom all day, or you take laxative and you're in and out of the bathroom all day until eventually your bum starts to hurt. This is like very TMI, but I mean, you know, because of all the wiping. So this would really come in handy for situations like that, and just situations in general, because your bum can be very sensitive. So that's really cool. This is, the scent is Dewdrops of Spring. This is something that you wouldn't even think existed. At least I wouldn't think so, you know, other than it being in actual toilet paper. And it smells like baby powder. Like, this is literally what it smells like. Yep, it smells like baby powder. Very nice. Next thing we got here is, oh, what is this? Break up with paper towels. Next time you need a paper towel, grab these instead. Wash and use them as long as you'd like, then send them back. We'll replace them with fresh ones forever. By using just one less roll of paper towels a week, you'll save $80 a year. Oh, so these are cotton paper towels. You can wash and reuse them, and then like once they're very worn down, you can send them back to the company and they'll replace them for free, which is super awesome. This is a collaboration with a brand called Alt Linen. It looks like this. So that's really cool. Let's see, I actually like this a lot, more eco-friendly, and they feel almost like paper towels, just cottony. So that's definitely going to be using this instead of paper towels. Okay, so this is collagen gel eye pads. This is anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, reduces dark circles. This is by AMNH Skincare. They collab with this company a lot. They make that marshmallow body scrub that we got a few months ago that we absolutely loved. So you cleanse the face under the eye area, you open the foil package, and then you leave the gel pads on for 20 to 30 minutes. Since this is not like an all-night treatment and this is under the eyes, I can use this. The rest of my skin is a little too sensitive, so it probably wouldn't be able to handle stuff like this, but since it is under the eyes, I'm definitely going to be giving this a try. So excited for that. The next thing. The last thing, I think this is the last thing in here that we have is, ooh, what? This is called, this is True Earth Laundry Detergent Eco Strips. They're strips. So the way that they work is you put one strip per load. You detach the strip and you load it. You put the strip inside the washer if it's a top load washer. And if it's a front load washer, you put the strip in this detergent dispenser. I have a top load washer, so I would need to place the strip inside the washer machine. And then you add clothes and then you start the washer. And then for heavily soiled laundry, use 2 strips, small load, half a strip. And it dissolves completely and can be used in hot and cold water. They are biodegradable, phosphate-free, eco-friendly. Super awesome. This is so cool. Like, I'm gonna give these a try, and if these work out, I love all the eco-friendly stuff. I mean, it makes sense because the theme was Flourish, and it has like a picture of a woman holding an earth. I love how eco-friendly this whole box was. That's really cool. So now we can take a look at the booklet. The awesome booklet. So spring is here. Blush, blush, blush. Okay, so first thing that we got is the Dragonfly CBD soaking salts. And you can get these on dragonflypure.com for $20, or you can use the code Therabox20 for 20% off. Then we got the True Earth Eco Strips laundry detergent, which you can get at true.earth for $19.95, and you can use code Therabox10 for 10% off. Next thing is the Body Fresh, which is this Dewdrops of Spring. This is $7.95, and you can use code Thera15 for 15% off. Then we got the Plant-Based Beauty Avocado and Algae Mask, which is the one that I'm going to be putting in the giveaway pile. This is on shopplantbasedbeauty.com for $22, or use my Therabox15 for 15% off. But again, you guys have a chance to win this if you guys subscribe to my main channel, which I'll post the link down there below. Then we have the Amina Skincare Starry Gel Collagen Gel Pads. These are $32, or you can enter Starry20 for 20% off at amina.com. So it's a $32 value. Then we have the Alt Linen pair of Forever Kitchen Towels, which you can find at altlinen.com for $30, or use code Therabox for 10% off. And then lastly, we have the Trust Fund Beauty No Filter Nail Polish, which you can find at trustfundbeauty.com for $15, or use code Thera20 for 20% off. And then lastly, we have the Happiness Boosting Activity, which is the Curious Bird Curiosity Cards by Garden of Mind, which you can get for $19.95 at curiositycardshop.com, and use code GIVEJOY for free shipping. So this month's box value is $165 US dollars plus, for a box that is $35. So all this stuff, most of the stuff was very eco-friendly, which I really liked. It has a happiness boosting activity, as always. We always get like those little cards and activities and like journal prompts to do, which is always really fun. So yeah, so again, Therabox, I really love the products. They are when they have a theme, they stick to it very, very well, which I absolutely love. Like, you know, for January it was like Flourish and like Grow, and they had like a planner and like everything for starting the year. And when they have a theme, they know how to stick to it really good. And this month was no different with Flourish. We have like Mother Earth and biodegradable products and just eco-friendly products, which I really love, and they didn't stray away from that. Natural products, organic products, awesome products. So that's really awesome. That is really awesome. So I really enjoyed this box. I hope you guys enjoyed this box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Again, I highly recommend Therabox. I've been subscribed to them for 4 months now. 5 months now. 5 months now, because I got the December box, and then I started with the December box, and we're in April. So yeah, so I've been subscribed to them for 5 months now, and so far I've loved and enjoyed every single box that has been given to me. All the products that I have, I use most of them on a day-to-day basis. For example, this face mask spray that we got a couple months ago. every time I need to go out the door and my mask smells funky, just spritz a little bit of that and it clears it right up. So anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will put the link down below to where you can subscribe to this Therabox as well as my main channel in case you guys want to enter that giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.